Cooking with Paris. Paris, you making breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh man, you got eggshells in there, Paris. What you doing, Paris? What is that? Say egg.
Egg. You need a bag.
Paris, who you making breakfast with? You making breakfast with TT?
Yeah. Huh? I
Oh. Where you go?
Yeah, Paris. Oh, Paris. And you think that's funny, huh? She have eggshell mama in there. Paris making eggs. Say yeah. Oh man, look at the eggshells. We're gonna have eggshells for their breakfast. If y'all get an eggshell in your food, just know it's Paris. And Taisha. Oh wow. What you doing, Ocean?
Pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
You don't know how to make pancakes.
Well, you gonna make it then.
From my understanding, you don't know how to make pancakes.
Yeah.
That's what JR said.
JR did not say that.
JR, did you say that, JR?
No, I did not.
You said your mom don't know how to make pancakes.
No, I did not. That's you.
Yeah, he said it.
You only say that country to get.
Nah, you said it, bro. You said your mom can't cook.
That you say that because so I can get a butt whoop.
Yeah, you gonna get a butt whoop, which you don't never get anyway. Your bum behind. Parents making eggs with TT. Ew.
Okay, Paris.
Damn, how many eggs you gonna open, Paris? Like 100 of them? And we got Uncle Junior over here asleep, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a video of Uncle Junior falling off his bed earlier. June. Hey, Junior, let me get in the bed with you. Let me get in the bed with you, Junior. I'm gonna come lay with you. Hold up, bro. Come on, Junior. Come on, Junior. Let's lay the bed, Uncle Junior. We gonna lay the bed with you.
Okay.
Let's lay the bed, Uncle Junior. Pull the cover off that joker.
Let them sleep. They trying to wake Junior up.
Pull the cover off him. Pull the cover off him, JR.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, get his cover. Get it off him, JR.
Oh my gosh.
Get it off him. You get it off of him, I'll give you 50 bucks. Get his cover, JR.
Oh my God, this guy.
Get his cover, JR. I'll give you $50. Boy, you held on to that cover, boy. Oh, don't be playing. Paris, you done with the eggs? You done made enough eggs?
Hold that up.
Cooking with Paris. Cooking with Paris. Paris, stir it up. Stir, stir, stir.
Whoa.
It's a lot of damn eggs.
Yeah, baby.
You like eggs, Paris? Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, Ocean, I know you don't have a spatula, but improvise, man. That's what y'all do in Haiti. You know how to improvise.
I did.
You got 2 forks, don't you? Flip it with that. Duh. And my wife would have burned the damn pancakes, y'all.
Nah, they turned out good.
I bet you they finna be burnt. Look at them.
It's pretty. Looking okay.
You see? Burnt ass pancake. Golden brown.
Guess what I
Her
got?
parents told me to hit you.
Ow.
She said hit you because you bother her. Said,
Well, didn't
I love you.
Oh, man.
Thank you. Now go back. Bye. That's what she upset about. Go sit.
No. That man. No.
Hey, y'all see them messed up eggs? I mean, not eggs, but pancakes.
Now I got this. It's gonna be perfect. I just found. Yeah, boo boo.
So you a pancake maker, huh?
Go, you said you wanted cereal. Go eat your cereal.
Oh, Kiki. Hey, look, y'all see what Long Ball Tony doing? Video games. That's all he do. That's all he do, y'all. Him and Katie. Video games all night long.
What do you mean, Dad? That's a lie.
Hit him?
Yeah.
Who you want me to hit?
Mine.
You want me to hit mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna hit her. I'm gonna hit her. Want me to hit her?
Yeah.
Okay. Leave Paris alone. Say,
Oh.
You better run, Paris. She gonna get you. Oh, it turned out better now?
Yeah, okay, I got this. Thank you. Thank you for her 5 minutes. So anyways. Oh man, you're not even helping.
I'm helping you. I'm recording you. Ocean? I mean, the oven did all the work, but you know.
And your mom brought that in too, so it's good.
I mean, the oven did all the work, but okay.
We're supposed to cook breakfast together, but he didn't do anything but record.
Yeah. Recordings. Hey, Tito.
A, B, C.
Yeah, you look like that too.
1, 2, 3.
Paris. Say hello.
That's my girl right there.
Oh, you ain't pulling off the plate? What's wrong with the first playing game these and the whole thing? What's wrong with that? Hey!
Oh, God. Why you attacking me?
Dad.
Hey, you gonna break my glasses? Okay. Okay.
Dad, why you gotta do that?
I got it, I got it, game. I got it, y'all. I got it. That boy mad.
That's all.
Gerald, you always get beat up by somebody.
It's because of you, Dad.
Oh, that's mine? That's mine? Ooh, you ready to be my food?
Maybe parents will eat. Sit here. You're welcome.
Y'all see my plate?
Come on, Paris.
What y'all did, blow the place up? In conclusion, breakfast was amazing. And you guys stay safe out there for Hurricane Milton. We're going to do our best to stay safe as well.
And we're putting
Bless
this
y'all.
lotion on, y'all.
They put the lotion on my feet.
See his feet.
Have a good day, people.